Good morning.
Oh, sorry. Good morning.
Right, it's like
good morning.
That's
Today-
from Disney, isn't it? I'm pretty sure it's the trolley show.
Maybe it is. If it's okay, somebody tell us what that's from. I don't know. I'm just always saying it. But we're gonna get breakfast and then Mission Hagrid. Mission
Hagrid. We're gonna ride some motorbikes today.
Look at this gorgeous Islands of Adventure light tower and that morning sun. And look at this gorgeous lady that I get to go into the park with. Look how beautiful she is.
Well, it's already this side, yeah.
And everybody tell her how freaking amazing she looks in this tank top. Look how cute. We're fogging up again.
Oh well.
Still got like a half hour waiting.
We got one went back for more. So the line again, like something whole.
What'd you say? How long do we have?
A half hour.
Closing time.
20,
Time for you.
37
Oh,
minutes.
wrong way, sorry. Opening time.
Why won't you open the gates and we could go?
I was just gonna say we're in.
We're in. We're running. We're walking super fast. But, so it's 8:30. A little after.
They're gonna stop us probably at Hogsmeade entrance, I bet.
Yes. Our tickets like wouldn't want to scan, but it's okay. They did scan. We're going in. If anyone remembers, and they're Universal buff, they used to have a show called Sinbad, but it doesn't run anymore, but they're using that line for Hagrid. So we're like where they had the show.
A show they put on called Sinbad.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
All right, hold off right here. Oh, what else?
Whew, we just made something. I don't know what. But
They're
we
gonna
made
send people down further.
Whew. Lots of people means lots of heat and body heat, and it's warm, but I'm jazzed because Hagrid. They did say that it's not operational at this time.
Well, because it's not open for another 2 minutes.
Right. But that's what we're here for this morning, so I'm gonna wait.
Under promise, over deliver.
Just like pizzas.
Right?
They'll tell you 20 minutes, but it's probably really ready in 10 to 15. We've come to a stop. Somewhere behind, I don't know where, but we've come to a stop. Technically, the park just opened like 3 minutes ago.
By like that Atlantis walkthrough attraction thing.
Okay,
Is it Atlantis?
I can't remember. No,
I swear.
Poseidon's Fury.
Poseidon's Fury.
Atlantis.
I'm a fan of
How
Universal.
sweaty we are.
It's not a fun.
So sweaty. This fan right here is gonna be live soon.
Okay, everybody gets 10, 15 seconds right here.
Hold on, here we go. Come on.
Megan, if you think I'm
Yes.
please.
Like I found my one.
Please.
I gave in and sat, but I'm hearing motorbike sounds, so I'm hoping it means it's opening soon. How you holding up, Sarah? Hot. Hot. Meg went to get water.
I'm just sweaty. Yeah, I'm just tired because I'm always tired. But
Well, heat does that to you. Okay, we're officially moving. Officially moving. Meg ran got us waters and Powerades, and now we all feel real good. Someone like almost passed out. It was really scary. I hope they're okay. We're moving. According to them, they're still not operating. They're just doing preload. I don't know what that means. But if it gets me closer to air conditioning, I don't care. Good morning, Hogsmeade.
Yeah, respect the spell limits.
I hear the motorbike.
Let's do this thing.
Into the
Let's do
locker.
the thing.
Into the locker.
We're in. Meg, we're in. It looks so familiar, but unfamiliar. What? Beautiful. Right here. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hagrid's hut is now part of this ride too. Flight of the Hippogriff is right over there. You can kind of see it. That's really cool that it ties all in.
It's bigger than I thought.
Whoa, something ate a pumpkin. Look at the Grindylows. I don't know if they're showing up on here. And we're going inside. Air conditioning? Air conditioning?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Got a real trip for you today. Great lesson coming up. Everyone here? Right. Follow the path.
I miss my owl. Meg, I miss my owl. Puffle. Yeah. Oh, shout out to the dragons!
Oh, that is so cool.
That's really neat.
That is super nice.
Oh yeah. So ready for this.
Oh, are you all right, Arthur?
Yes, thank you, Hagrid.
Arthur.
Just investigating this muggle tool. Fascinating. Works on echo trickery.
Oh, that's just marvelous, Arthur. Oh,
That's better.
We're in line and we're sitting. The air, the ground is cold and it feels good and we're playing Harry Potter Heads Up.
And we got this thing behind us, so we can lean against it.
Yeah.
Life got good.
I'm checking to see if it still says delayed. So it just says 210 minutes. But we were like in line before it said that. So like our wait shouldn't, once it starts going, because I don't know if it started going yet.
You saw them like running it out.
Should be less than 210 minutes.
And we're moving. And we're moving. And we're moving. And we're healing. Heal!
Somebody made an observation. There's these posters that you can't see. There's these posters of the creatures, and then there's all these like broken, open, empty pages. So it's all of the ones that have escaped that we're gonna get to see.
I hope so.
Literally, it's the best ride in Orlando. It's probably the best ride in the world. It's the best theme park ride I've ever been on. And I used to say Forbidden Journey was. Forbidden Journey is now second.
We cried.
I cried.
We cried.
As what do you think?
I loved it. It was amazing. One of the best
so
rides
good.
ever.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Tiff, aside from you being ill.
I liked it a lot.
Sarah wants to ride it again.
I like the ride zone. She does not. It was great.
We'll never do it again.
For stuff like those, like care for the ride.
Tiff did not do so well with motion sickness. She didn't get sick, but she doesn't feel good now.
Feeling.
But other than that, you loved the ride? Like what you saw was pretty?
Yeah. Yes.
But
Great ride.
it's still a ride.
Rides go.
Sarah,
What?
what'd you think? This
I
for
enjoyed
instance.
it a lot. The only thing, like I was saying to Tiffany, the queue was a little underwhelmed. Like the stuff to look at.
The queue was kind of boring, but yeah. But the ride itself,
It was
spot
good.
on.
I really enjoyed it.
Sarah wants to go go again, but
That really doesn't mean anything. I'd ride a lot of
3.5
rides.
hours long to get in.
Especially not from over here.
It was awesome. I can't wait to ride it again. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to. Good. Good. We need lots of food though.
You're gonna try to do this again?
Lots of food. And water. We're at the Leaky Cauldron again.
The Leaky Cauldron, that's in London.
Oh my god. Sarah, do you want to jump on Swisher? I don't know how well it will go because I'm on the Wi-Fi.
Jar of peace. Alright, I'm gonna try to get this before it melts. We got butterbeer ice cream.
No, I'm good. We made it.
Made it. We were a little nervous, so we went on a bit of a run.
It's very warm in here, and so no people, no one toying us off that was really rude. There's an eagle and an owl. It's carrying some posts. That's how the wizards and the witches get their correspondence. It's still flying. Ooh, look, I see some dark stuff in the sky. What could that be?
What's happening, Penelope?
I think that's Voldemort.
Voldemort.
I think he's coming back. So, oh, now we're in the country, so there's more grass and rain, and there's an Annabelle. There's another house where allegedly that's the Malfoy Manor. Why are they still on the Hogwarts Express when they're almost 40 years old? Oh, we like that. There's Sarah's friend Hagrid. He let Sarah drive that the other day. And, why is he talking about?
It's just along for the ride.
We're going to Tiffany's second dreamland.
What?
You guys are cute.
Oh, thanks.
Look at these pretty eyes. Excuse you.
You're really good at it.
I'm vlogging here.
I make your wife look pretty.
She doesn't need anyone to make her look pretty. She always looks pretty. I gotta go rub shoulders.
Still a little bit foggy. It's drizzling, but we're on our way to dinner at Cowfish. We are all showered and refreshed and ready for our meetup at 8.
Nothing. You get rained on and sweaty.
Right. I'm excited for Cowfish though.
I've never been there, so I'm really excited because you guys talk it up.
They're the only two that have
I hope that they like it because we really do talk it up and it's like my favorite place to eat here. So.
hate it.
Meg, what'd you get?
My favorite. Thank you. The cheeseburgushi.
That's also what Ezra got.
New.
I got the taste
The taste explosion. Look at how yummy it looks.
super hot, please. It's got like little jalapenos.
Looks awesome.
I'm okay.
Good.
Thank you.
They got spicy tuna.
Yes, and a burger. Ez also got burgushi.
Yep.
And I got a
You just
bento
gotta put
box.
the whole thing in your mouth.
So I got a veggie burger, a vegetarian roll, and I don't even know everything. Sweet potatoes, edamame. I don't know. I'm just gonna eat it.
Isn't it good?
I got this.
That's not it.
I got this. Come here.
And there's Sarah grabbing it
Gee.
perfectly fine. Ezra!
Come on.
Use it, hold one like a pencil.
Son of a. How? Like that right there?
Use hold one, hold this one like a
That's what I'm doing. Right there, I got it. Pencil.
and then you just put them together.
It's hot.
Your one finger's in the way.
Wow, how a pin though.
Wait, like this?
Yeah.
I still can't do it.
Here you go.
I got a little sliver. Hold on.
Hey.
Oh.
He missed his mouth.
Spicy.
No, it's not spicy. This is just like a lot. Do you bite it or do you just eat the whole
Whole
thing?
thing.
What are you eating, Meg?
You only want to eat half, I'll eat the other half.
Spicy tuna.
Meg's never had sushi.
Disrespectful to not eat.
That's a lot. It's gonna weird me out. Can I cut it in half?
Seriously? You cut it in half, you're only gonna have the
What?
vegetables.
Cut it in half. Cut it this way.
Yeah, this way.
Eat that little baby one. Look how small it is.
Pop it.
If you could have half.
Whoa.
Oh, wow.
Do it.
That was hot.
Do it.
You're freaking yourself out.
You're hard.
Chew it, babe. You got it.
You like it.
Just do it. It's not bad.
You are lying. You are lying to yourself.
I did the same thing with beef chop.
If sheep
It tasted like fish food.
It did not. It did
Here's
not.
my thing. You were sucking yourself out.
No,
Okay.
like literally.
We're hypersensitive to
Tasted
this,
like
I know
fish
it.
food.
I feel it.
It
When
tasted like fish
when I
food.
eat beef tongue, I psych myself out when I ordered it.
It's not bad.
And it wasn't. I psyched myself out.
Not good.
And it,
You wanna know what's good?
Come on.
This.
Pop that. Pop that in your mouth. Come on. There it is. There it is. Yes. Totally different reaction.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Ones are gonna be here, twos are gonna be here. Remember your
Wait.
I don't know how to play either. All right, so Petras is our number.
I have one. Whoever has it.
Ride.
I know.
This music is perfect for this. Finally inside. Goo Donuts. Hey! Well, they have a Pride bar. Okay, do you see the Pride bar? Check it out. Theme Park Ohana. Pretty awesome. awesome. Check them out. They're hanging with me while I wait in line, and it's almost my turn. And I hope I remember which one I wanted, because I don't. Sorry.
You, Captain. I just need that.
What did you get?
Check this out. Is that on?
Yeah.
Check this out. So I got a little Captain something of a jigger.
Oh, you have the captain one?
Yeah, I told him he had to. Yeah, I told him he had to.
So we'll save that for breakfast because he's got breakfast cereal.
Not a captain, my captain donut. You can't save that for breakfast. It's gonna taste good now. You have to eat it now.
I don't know. I've heard from locals it'll taste the same in the morning. Maybe even better.
It does not taste the
Maybe
same.
even better.
No donut tastes the same in the morning. Let's be
That
real.
tastes the same like an hour after. My son drove them home and they were staying.
Yeah. I heard somebody was
Have you
saying
written it?
that.
I won't ruin it. It was incredible. What'd you get, babe?
This is Sarah. I'm joking. Sarah O'Malley.
I was like, wait, there's lots of Sarahs right now. You stabbed it in its Hufflepuff heart. That's terrible.
I heard her say my name.
Who?
Sarah. I didn't get any filling. Hold on.
I think you gotta go for the whole. It's just gonna burst all of a sudden. Oh wait, no. Is there none? There you go. That's the way. There you go.
I'm jealous because I don't like filling.
I'm jealous even though I know I hate it. It's the worst. Can I have some?
I'm gonna have a bite.
Right? Right? It's kind of, it was a little bird.
It was just crazy.
Yeah.
What is it called? A Neapolitan?
So it's a chocolate donut, vanilla icing, and then strawberry sprinkle, I think.
Yum.
Vanilla and strawberry. That's really good.
Yeah?
Your face
You like
is so
it?
funny.
Hey, we're thinking about taking the boat out privately. Are you up for that? Or private party? Thank you.